Hey there, craft lovers. It's time for another 10,000 Rands giveaway.
So here we are in front of all of our previous competition entries, which was for the DTF competition. Now, the reason why we still have these up here is because we absolutely love showing off the quality of work. And here we are in front of our previous sublimation competition entries. And the reason why they're still up is because we absolutely love these quality prints. And what is next? Well, we have to do something about those windows. As you can see, these windows are a bit of an eyesore at the moment. Well, we've got so many of them that we want to cover every single one of them to make the showroom beautiful. Now, that means that the competition will only end once every single window is covered. So now you know when it will end. Well, when will it start? The answer is immediately. As soon as you see this video come out, you can start sending your entries. What about the rules? Let's go over those.
The dimensions of your print are as follows: 950 by 500 millimeters, landscape. Print on white vinyl so that we can apply it to the window and write your name and cell number on the back of the print. Send your entry to 2 Macro Place, Sunny Rock, Germiston, or bring it in personally to the showroom at our head office. You receive a 200 Rand credit on buythis.co.za for every entry, and the winner gets 10,000 Rand.
So if you followed the rules, you should be coming out with something like this as your entry. Now, if you want to know if you've won, then you're going to have to go ahead and click on the bell icon, and if you haven't subscribed already, please go and do so that you can see if you are the winner.
AI may eventually take over, but what's for certain is that smart machines are already operating all over the world right now. So stay ahead with AM.CO.za. For 11 years, they've been the leader in CNC and printing machines like CNC routers, large format printers, vinyl cutters, laser cutters, plasma cutters, DTF printers, and many more. Visit AM.CO.za showrooms in Sunny Rock, Joburg, and Montague Gardens, Cape Town, or WhatsApp hi to 060 600 6000 for more info. AM.CO.za. Achievement matters.